Hi, this is Sonya with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to the challenge of Miss Pham's index card art relaunch. And it's hosted by Thelisha of Where Baking and Crafting Meet. And basically what this index card relaunch is back in 2022, Pham of Livy's Lovelies originally started this challenge. It was a 52-week challenge where you just create index cards for all year long. Well, some of us, we didn't complete it, so we decided to start it again and just kind of pick up where we left off. So if you want to join the challenge, you can, and you can do the whole 52 weeks or wherever you left off at, or just some of it. But you can access the challenge through Where Baking and Crafting Meet on Thelisha's Facebook page, and the file that we use for the prompts are also there. And I'll have a link in the description how you can do that. So basically what I'm doing for this card, I'm starting at week 17, which is Dream. And so I'm just going to create a layout of someone in like dream world or fantasy world, kind of like Alice in Wonderland. And so that's why I kind of use that Stamperia, not rice paper, but Stamperia background paper. And so I'm just doing some stamping. I got the Tim Holtz stamp, and I got that little monochrome, what do you call that? Not monochrome, it's some kind of chrome, like mirror looking pen. I got that off of TikTok along with a few other things. And so I'm creating like an eye. I'm wanting to make it look like she's in dreamland, or someone's in dreamland dreaming, because that's what the prompt is. So I'm just using some different mediums. I've got my Posca pen, and I'm just drawing the eye, and I'm going to fussy cut that out, and I'm going to glue it down and add some liquid pearls and stuff like that. So basically what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to put some music on and just kind of let you watch the process. It's pretty simple. So, and when it's complete, I'll be right back. Pretty much it, guys. This is the card through the looking glass and what Alice found there. So it's like she's in dreamland. She's seeing magical things. You know, she can dream about anything in Wonderland. And there's the eye and the eyelashes with the little pearls on them. And I had fun with this, and so And then also I added the stencils to the back, and here they are. And I just used some distress ink on it. I didn't want to put like too many colors because I still want it to be like journal writing space. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.